That one's gonna go in your face and I'm not gonna let you see.
Bigger.
Suited and booted, baby.
Look, let me show you. Tráelo, Vlad.
Please
You know what happens? Ah, but let me see yours. Let me see yours. Check it out. You know what happens?
It's gonna be so much fun.
Gotta change.
So I should be scared.
You feel comfortable with this one?
You should. Why you letting this go?
Because fear is no way to live life. You gotta grab it by the cojones. Just go
It
after
needs
it.
to be
You know
tired
what's
about.
cojones, right?
It's balls, right?
Yeah, but the older one is smaller.
What's cojones?
Like,
Your balls.
you know, the problem
Balls.
is when you jump.
Yeah, you grab life by the balls. It's a saying in America.
That one.
Oh my
But this
God. Your
one,
things
that
are so
one
weird.
happened with this one. Like this.
Look at the fear in her eyes.
Oh, sorry. I like your sound back there.
People go first? Can we let people go first?
We should go first.
No, I don't want to go first.
Is you guys who want to go first?
At least two or three people first.
Get close. Zipline. Today, you are going to do 5 zip lines and 2 suspension bridges. When you're ready to fly here, you will have 2 lines in front of you. Just hold the line.
Okay.
If you are ready, please make a line right here.
Fuck yeah, let's do it.
Bueno.
Come on. I'm gonna go first. You go second.
Okay.
Cocotazo, ¿no?
Sí.
Woo! This is gonna be fun. I'm a little scared now. Wait a minute. I don't know if I would.
Why are you laughing so much?
Because you're funny. Make sure I'm good to go. Okay. Step up. Aye. Oh shit. Wait a minute. Aye. Fuck. Okay. It's gonna pinch your balls. Okay. All right. So it says sit. Sit down. Whee! Oh shit. Oh shit! What the fuck?
Hello, my friend.
Hola!
Sentado.
Ah, mis cojones.
Sujeta aquí, por favor.
Oh shit. Okay.
Dale.
Shit.
Watch this stuff. Hold the line.
Zarath's coming next. Woo!
Hold the line.
Don't put that on the video.
You did so good.
Hold the line.
Oh, listen.
You walk.
Go, go!
Oh, okay.
Waiting for it.
I thought we wait on every. Oh
my
shit!
God, no.
Oh my goodness! This is the suspension bridge. Ah,
Fight.
she's so scared.
Okay, hold this. Sit down.
Hoya!
Lean back.
Woo! Oh shit! Ah, coño!
Slide. Come on. There you go, don't careful.
Okay. Ah, go. ¿Qué es lo que?
Ok,
¿Todo bien?
tranquilo. Todo frío.
No entiendo, lo siento. Oh, I gotta turn this way. I can't go backwards.
You can go backwards.
Okay, you can
but
go.
you're trying to go backwards.
Down the back and put up.
Hood! Yeah! Oh shit, here it comes! Oh! Whew! Oh. Gracias. Oh. Your adrenaline, you got you rushing on it?
Huh?
You excited now?
No.
You still scared? Oh, that's too bad. No, I'm excited. My foot.
No, I'm not going to kill you if I'm alive after this. It's so fun.
It is fun, I know. I have to be careful with my.
I gotta be careful with my foot because last time hanging out with you almost break.
That was time before last.
Now I'm excited. Yes.
Yes.
Let's go. Let's go, MF. Let's go.
Oh shit! I broke my harness.
No, it's not broke.
Hope I don't die.
This thing, that's like.
Ah shit!
I went to say something in the video. It went to sounds weird.
What are you gonna say?
That the thing
Mm-hmm.
is too tight.
Yeah, it was squeezing my balls. I breathed.
Huh?
I'm breathing loud as hell too. Whew! ¿Qué lo que?
bro? Ajá, es verdad.
Oh, this one's long. How many meters?
¿Cuántos metros de?
Metros.
No sé decirte, no sé.
Oh.
No.
En realidad no sé.
Cuidado con mis coños, cojones.
¿Sienta? Listo.
Woo! Ay! Oh shit, this is long as hell! Oh, the fuck! Ugh.
Ahora.
Horrible, pero bien. Sí, pero bien. A la gente pendeja le da vaina, pero después cuando nos llega bien. Why am I so scary?
Ah, coño.
You almost break it.
Suspension bridge.
Hello?
Oh, you ready for this?
Otro bridge.
Do. Hoot. Oh. Vamos!
I'm so scared, yo.
Look at her face. Look how scared she is.
Déjame tranquila.
La última.
Sí.
Okay. ¿Cuántos metros?
¿Cuántos pies? Tú a todos le preguntas cuántos pies.
Ah, los metros no tengo. Número exacto.
No. Está bien. Mis cojones. Ay.
Tus cojones.
Sí.
Yo estoy sudando. Yo no debería estar sudando.
Ok.
¡Listo! ¡Vamos! ¡Ay! ¡Oh, shit! ¡Oh! Oh. Shit! Okay.
Doc.
Gracias.
Dale, Dominican Gringo.
Dominican gringo.
¿Algo qué?
¿Todo bien? ¿Y tú? Did that one hurt your back?
No.
Oh.
It didn't.